Best tennis rackets. Are you looking for the best tennis rackets? In this video we will look at some of the best tennis rackets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Wilson Hyper Hammer 5.3. Discover why the Wilson Hyper Hammer has been a trusted favorite among tennis newcomers for over 25 years. Designed to make learning the game easier and more enjoyable, this best-selling racket delivers an ideal blend of lightweight comfort, effortless power, and beginner-friendly forgiveness, all at a price that's hard to beat. Engineered for smooth, easy swinging, the Hyper Hammer helps reduce shoulder and elbow fatigue, allowing you to play longer sessions without discomfort. Its lightweight 8.96-ounce frame makes it simple to maneuver, while the extended 27.5-inch length adds a boost of leverage for stronger serves and deeper ground strokes. Even new players will find it easy to generate powerful spin and explore new shot shapes as their skills develop. The racket's oversized 110 square in head offers a generous sweet spot, providing tons of forgiveness on off-center hits, perfect for beginners working on consistency. Despite its beginner focus, a Hyper Hammer maintains a surprisingly balanced feel, giving you confidence and stability whether you're serving, rallying, or returning fast shots. What truly sets the newest Hyper Hammer apart is its exceptional value. You get mid-range level performance at a beginner-friendly price, making it the ideal choice for new players who want quality without breaking the bank. Whether you're picking up tennis for the first time or returning after a long break, the Wilson Hyper Hammer offers the perfect combination of comfort, control, and power to jumpstart your progress on the court. Number 2. Babolat Boost S. Experience the perfect blend of performance and playability with the Babolat Boost S, a racket trusted by players at every level, including countless professionals. Renowned for its smart design and reliable quality, Babolat continues to be a go-to brand for coaches and athletes alike. As one expert put it, Babolat is a brand that I always come back to. The Boost S is specifically engineered for beginners and rising players who want a racket that's easy to swing yet powerful enough to help them grow. Its thoughtfully balanced 9.8-ounce weight hits the ideal sweet spot, light enough for smooth, effortless swings, but sturdy enough to deliver solid pace and depth on every shot. Whether you're returning serves, hitting volleys, or ripping forehands, this frame gives you the confidence to swing freely. The 102 square in head size provides a forgiving sweet spot, helping reduce mishits and making it easier to stay consistent as you improve. The 27-inch length offers familiar, all-court versatility with excellent reach, while the comfortable frame construction enhances control and reduces vibration for a more enjoyable playing experience. Affordability is another standout feature. Like the Wilson Hyper Hammer 5.3, the Boost S offers mid-tier performance at a budget-friendly price, often an even better value. That makes it a fantastic option for beginners ready to upgrade from entry-level rackets without overspending. If you're looking for a racket that supports effortless improvement, dependable control, and smooth power, the Babolat Boost S is the perfect boost to your tennis journey. Number 3. Wilson Clash 108 V2. Step onto the court with unmatched comfort and confidence using the Wilson Clash 108 V2, the ultimate high-end tennis racket for beginners who want the very best from day one. While it comes at a premium price, the Clash 108 V2 delivers performance, durability, and feel that far surpass typical starter rackets, making it a worthwhile investment for players committed to long-term improvement. What truly sets the Clash 108 V2 apart is its unrivaled comfort. Built with Wilson's advanced frame technologies, this racket dramatically reduces arm fatigue and vibration, giving new players the most comfortable hitting experience available. Despite its plush feel, it still packs responsive power and impressive control, allowing you to place shots with above-average accuracy as you refine your technique. The oversized 108 square in head expands the sweet spot, giving beginners more forgiveness and fewer mishits, key benefits when mastering consistent contact. Its slightly extended 27.25-inch length and well-balanced 10.48-ounce weight provide excellent stability, smooth swing mechanics, and added reach for serves and ground strokes. While the upfront cost may give some players pause, the Clash 108 V2 is built to last for years of regular play, far longer than most sub-$100 rackets. For beginners who know they're serious about improving, choosing this model from the start can save money in the long run by eliminating the need to upgrade later. For luxury-level comfort, reliable control, and long-term durability, the Wilson Clash 108 V2 is the smart investment that elevates your whole game from the very first swing. Number 4. Head Geo Speed. Step confidently into the world of tennis with the Head Geo Speed, a high-value racket from one of the sport's most trusted brands. Designed specifically for new players, this racket delivers the essential features beginners need: a large hitting surface, durable construction, and easy power, all at a price that makes it one of the best values in the game. The Geo Speed's extended 27.5-inch length offers increased reach and leverage, making it especially helpful for players with shorter or more compact swings. Whether you're still developing your stroke mechanics or just stepping onto the court for fun, the added length helps generate extra power on serves and deeper returns with less effort. Its 105 square in head size provides a generous sweet spot, giving beginners more forgiveness on off-center hits and helping build confidence with every swing. At 10.4 ounces, the racket has enough weight to stay stable through contact while remaining light enough for easy maneuverability, ideal for weekend players, recreational hitters, and newcomers learning proper form. While seasoned competitors won't confuse this with a premium pro-level frame, that's exactly the point. The Geo Speed excels as an approachable, reliable, and budget-friendly option for noob players or anyone wanting to add a recreational racket to their gear collection without overspending. If you're looking for a well-rounded beginner racket with a standout feature-to-dollar ratio, the Head Geo Speed delivers the perfect balance of comfort, control, and value for the early stages of your tennis journey. Number 5. Wilson Burn 100 ULS V5. Get world-class inspiration without the world-class price tag with the Head T. Conquest Oversized Tennis Racket. While you might not be ready to invest in a professional-level frame, you can still enjoy technology from one of the sport's most elite brands, trusted for years by longtime world number 1, Novak Djokovic. That championship pedigree trickles down into Head's more affordable lineup, giving beginners access to performance-driven design at a beginner-friendly cost. The T. Conquest features an oversized 115 square in head, offering a significantly larger sweet spot that boosts power, enhances forgiveness, and helps newcomers connect cleanly even as they refine their swing. It's an ideal choice for players who want to hit with confidence right away, whether practicing rallies, returning volleys, or working on consistent baseline strokes. At an ultralight 8 ounces unstrung weight, this racket swings effortlessly, great for players still developing wrist strength, timing, and stroke mechanics. The extended 27.75-inch length adds reach and leverage, letting you generate deeper shots and more effective serves without extra effort. Designed as one of Head's more streamlined models, the T. Conquest keeps things simple, stable, and accessible. But what really sets it apart is the exceptional feature-to-dollar value. Priced under $100, it delivers performance and playability rarely seen in this category, making it one of the best entry-level options available. For aspiring players who want pro-inspired design, easy power, and big forgiveness at a budget-friendly price, the Head T. Conquest Oversize is a winning start to your tennis journey.